guys, welcome back to my kitchen. For all those who are new, welcome, enjoy. Today guys, I am going to share my curry goat with white rice and a bit of salad on the side recipe. Let's get started. Over here is my goat meat. It's all washed and ready for seasoning. And I am just going to show you how to season my curry goat. So this is all-purpose seasoning. Turmeric seasoning. Onions, granules. Oops. Black pepper. Garlic granules. And this is the good old curry goat seasoning. Tropical sun. And I'm using 2 spoonfuls of this seasoning. And this is my original curry goat, original meat seasoning. So you can use this to season any meat. It is curry powder. So I'm using that amount. And I'm using a bit of vegetable oil. This is just to help marinate my meat. Guys, like I've already told you in all my videos, it's best to marinate your meat for at least 24 hours. But because I'm showing you guys from start to finish, I cannot do that. So when you are doing your own meat at home, then you can season your meat and leave it in a closed container and your fridge for 24 hours. Take it out 10 minutes before cooking time and you'll get the flavor, a lot more flavor from your meat. You'll enjoy it a lot better. So over here is my white onions. I'm gonna put it all in. My spring onions, which some people call it scallions in the Caribbean, but over here is spring onions. And over here, this is my garlic. It's all crushed, looking good. So I've added all my seasoning here. I'm just gonna add my thyme and my hot scotch bonnet pepper. So that's my scotch bonnet pepper. Don't put too much pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper in, only if you like your food to be very spicy and very high and fiery. You can do so, but I don't. these are my thyme. So guys, I am going to give my hands a good wash, and then I'll come back and show you how to season your meat. So let's get started. Started seasoning my meat. You can put a gloves on if you like, because the curry powder will stain your hands, but it's not a permanent stain, so I don't bother wear a gloves. I prefer to just use my bare hand. Just make sure your hands are clean before you start seasoning your meat. I can smell it, guys. Smelling really good. All I'm doing is combining all my ingredients together so that when I put my meat to cook, it can bring all the flavor out in my dish. So far it is looking good, and it is also smelling really good. So guys, I finished my seasoning process, and I am going to start cooking my meat. So look at it, guys, looking really good. So I'm gonna start it. I'll show you now how to cook this meat. Guys, I'm just gonna add a bit of thyme to my oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. So I've just pour a little bit of oil in my pan, and I'm just gonna add 4 cloves of garlic with a bit of thyme. I'm just going to leave it for a little while. Yeah, give it a little fry. This is to help bring the flavor out in my meat and help to let it cook quicker. Right, so now guys, I'm going to add all my meat to my pan. I'll add all my meat to my pan. I'm just going to turn the fire up a little bit and just give it a stir. Keep stirring for a little while so that it don't stick to my pan. What I'm going to do, I am going to cover my pan, and I'm going to reduce the heat. I'm just going to leave it to cook for a little while, and then I'll add some boiling water to finish cooking my meat. Guys, make its own juice while it is slowly cooking. So I'm just gonna add a bit of boiling water, just enough to cover it, and leave it to cook. Yeah, look at that guy. Look at that. It's all looking good. Wow. Can't wait to get stuck in. So, just a little bit of boiling water. So I'm just gonna leave it to cook, guys. Halfway, start getting really tender. Then I'm gonna add this potato to my meat. What all I did is just peel one whole Irish potato, wash it, cut up in small pieces, and then I'm gonna add it to my meat just at the end of finishing. Guys, look at my curry goat. Wow, look at that, guys. Looking really good. The only difference with curry goat, it takes a while to cook. It's not that easy to cook, but you just have to have patience. But it's really nice and it's very delicious. So that's my curry goat. And over here is my plain white rice to go with my curry goat. And for all those who are new, I already upload a video to show you how to cook your white rice from start to finish. All you have to do is just wash the rice at least 3 times, drain the rice, add enough water to cover the rice, bit of salt to taste. Make sure you use a non-stick pan so it does stick to the pan. Give it a little stir every so often. Reduce the heat. Leave your rice to cook. Guys, look at my goat meat. It's getting tender, but it still need about 1 more hour to go. And it should be fine. Like, it's supposed to be really tender, soft and tender. But it's getting there and it's looking good. Let's look at this, it's looking good. Look at the gravy. It's all getting really rich and looking good. So I'm just gonna give it a couple, maybe about a 20 minutes more, and then it should be ready. So I am going to add my potato. And I'm just gonna leave it for another 20 minutes and it's ready to go. Guys, my curry goat is all ready. Meat is soft and it's all ready and it's looking good. So I am going to serve my curry goat and white rice dinner. Guys, look at my curry goat with white rice and vegetables. Looking really good, smelling really good. So guys, if you like my video, give me a couple like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon. Love you guys.